In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom resolution in any Steam games. Whether you are trying to boost performance on an older system or you just want a specific aspect ratio for streaming or an ultra-wide display, setting a custom resolution through Steam is quick and straightforward. I will walk you through it step by step, and will add a few helpful tips along the way, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Steam desktop app and head to your library. This is where all your installed and owned games live. Find the game you want to modify. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to get to it faster. Once you've located the title, right-click on it and choose Properties. This opens a window that controls how the game launches. Make sure you are in the General tab. You'll see a section near the bottom labeled Launch Options. This is a special field where you can pass commands to the game every time it starts. In that box, type the command for your resolution, using this format. -W space 1920 space -H space 1080. That example sets the game to 1920 by 1080, which is standard 1080p. Replace those numbers with the exact width and height you want. For example, -W 2560, -H 1440 for 1440p, -W 3840 -H 2160 for 4K, or -W 3440 -H 1440 if you are on a 21:9 ultra-wide. Keep the numbers as plain integers with no commas or symbols. A couple of quick tips. Try to match your monitor's aspect ratio like 16:9 for 10 p.m. or 21:9 to avoid stretching or black bars. If your goal is performance, a slightly lower resolution than your native display can significantly improve frame rates. Also, not every game fully respects these MEDU and H flags. Many do, but some engines override them or use their own settings. If a game doesn't change resolution after this, it's not broken, it may just rely on in-game settings instead. And if anything looks off, you can always return to this box and remove the command to go back to normal behavior. When you are done entering the command, close the Properties window. That saves your changes automatically. Now launch the game as you normally would from your library. If the game supports these options, it should start at the resolution you specified. And you'll see the difference right away on the title screen or in the graphics settings menu. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.